Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to change welcome message in Magento 2. Whenever you logged in or whenever you are visiting the website, like see, we have the default welcome message. So somebody don't know like where it comes from and how to hide it or how to change the message, something like that. So how you can change it. So in this video we are going to learn this. So first of all, go to the content configuration. In configuration, select whatever the theme that you have, right? In this panel you have the header, right? Here we have the function default welcome message. Like if I'm going to remove this and save this configuration and cache to flush the cache, and let's go to the reload page. There is no message overall, right? So this is how you can done it. So it is on the content configuration theme, the last one, and here in the header section you can add whatever you can add, right? You can change the logo image also. Let me add some logo image. Let's check. Okay, so in this video what we have learned, that is how we can change the default welcome message in Magento 2. I hope you will understand that we understand what exactly I have explained. If you have any issues, just do write in the comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.